Good morning, children. I am your math teacher. How are you all? I know that you are safe at your home, right? Children, are you drinking more and more water? This is a summer season, children. We have to drink 15 glasses every day. 15 glasses of water every day we have to drink. And we have to take water content fruits like watermelon, banana. We have to take every day, right? I know that you are doing good at your home. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for class 3. Today I am going to start our textbook chapters, children. I am going to start our chapter 1. New academic session I am going to start. Chapter 1 I am going to start today. Yes. Before going to start our chapter, shall we have a small recap on the previous class, children? Yes. Yeah, children, tell me what you have learned from the previous class. Yes. We discussed about place values of different digit numbers like 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, right? And face values and expanded form of a number, right? Yeah. So, before going to start our chapter 1, I want to start my class with a small example, children. Yeah. Then take a number, children. 362. 362. How many digits are there here? Yes, 3 digits. Means it is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number. We know that a 3-digit number has 3 places. What are those? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. A 3-digit number shows 3 places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yeah, children, tell me how to read this number. Yeah, everyone repeat after me. It is 362. What is this number? It is 362. Right. Write down the number name. Yeah, children, everyone maintain a book and note down in that book whatever I am explaining in the class. Please note it down. Number name is 362. 362. Yes. Now write down the place values. What are the place values? What are the place values of this number? Already we discussed. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So now write down the place values. As 2 is in ones place, what is the place value of 2? 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 is the place value of 2. As 6 is in tens place, what is the place value of 6? 6 into 10. 6 tens are how much, children? 60. 60 is the place value of 6. As 3 is in hundreds place, the place value of 3 is 3 into 100. 300 is the place value of 3. 2 is in ones place. 2's place value is 2. 6 is in tens place. 6 place value is 60. 3 is in hundreds place. 3's place value is 3 into 100. 300 is the place value of 3. Right, children? So, what is the place value? The position of that digit. Place value means the position of that digit. 2 is in ones position. 6 is in tens position. 3 is in hundreds position. So this is nothing but place values. Now write down the expanded form. What is an expanded form? What is expanded form of this number? Expanded form. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. What is an expanded form? Expanded form means the sum of the place values of different digits in that number. Right? Sum of the place values. Sum means total. Total means we need to add all place values. So here while writing from down to up we need to write. Yeah. 3 is in hundreds place. What is place value of 3? 3 into 100, 300. 300 is the place value of 3. 3 is in hundreds place. 300 is the place value of 3. Plus 6 is in tens place. 6th place value is 6 tens are 60. So right here 60. Plus 2 is in ones place. 2's place value is 2 ones are 2. So this is the expanded form of this number. What I did here, I just added the place values. Sum of the place values of different digits. Sum of the place values of different digits will give us expanded form. So what is an expanded form? Expanded form means, expanded form is the way of writing a number to show the sum of the values of its digits. Sum of the place values of that digits. Yes, expanded form means it is the way of writing a number to show the sum of the values of its digits. Understood, children? Yes. Note it down, children. Now children, tell me, what is the greatest 3-digit number? Yes, 999 is the greatest 3-digit number, right? What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now add 1 to this number. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 right in ones place. Carry over is forwarded to the tens place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right in tens place. Carry over is forwarded to the hundreds place. 1 plus 9 is 10. So, what is this number? Yes, it is 1000. So, 999 after what number will come? 1000. So, 1000 is a 4-digit number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1000 is a 4-digit number. And what are the places? Shall we write the places? Yeah, we need to write always from right to left. Yeah, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. The 4th place is thousands place. A new place is added here. That is thousands place. So, here 1000 is a 4-digit number. And that too, that is smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Yes. Then children, will you guess what is the greatest 4-digit number? Yes, you are right. It is 9999. 9999. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So here in this first chapter we are going to learn about thousands place. Means we are going to learn about a 4-digit number. So the numbers which are in between 1000 and 9999 are 4-digit numbers. Yes? Yeah. What is our chapter 1? Today we are going to learn about numbers up to 10,000. Numbers up to 10,000. This is our chapter 1, right children? Now I am going to represent a 4-digit number using blocks. Yeah, then children tell me what is the greatest 3-digit number? Great means 3 nines. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Yes, what are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Right? Yeah. How to represent this 999? Using blocks. Yeah, 9 is in ones place. So draw 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones are here? 9 ones. These are 9 ones. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Right? Plus. In tens place, what is the number? 9 means 9 tens blocks. We need to draw 9 tens blocks. Tens. Think this is 1 10 block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 tens blocks. We have 9 tens blocks, right? Next, in hundreds place, what is the number? 9. So we have to draw 9 hundreds blocks. Hundreds blocks means somewhat big in size. When you compare with the tens block, it is big in size, right? When you compare with the ones block, tens block is big in size. So 1, 2, think this is as hundreds blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many hundreds blocks are here? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because in hundreds place 9 is there. So 9 hundreds. Yes children. So this is 999. Now add 1 to this number. Yes children, tell me. What is the answer? 999 after. What number will come? Yes. You know the answer. That is 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number, right? Then what are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yeah, how to represent this 1000 using these blocks? I will explain now. So what we have to do? We need to add 1 to this number. So add 1. Yes, 1 1. This is 1 1. Total how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have 10 ones. How many ones? 10 ones. Right? 10 ones we have. 10 ones means 110. So together all these ones together form 110 set. Yeah, see here. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones are there. Together form 110. 110 is a set. So here 10 ones is equal to 110. Right? Together this is 110 block. So we need to add this 110 block to here. So we added. So here one more tens block we need to draw. So now total this is 110. Now how many are there now total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total there are 10 tens. Right? These are 10 tens. Yeah children, 10 tens means what is the answer? You know the 10 table? Yes, 10 tens are 100. Ten tens are 100. In 100, how many tens are there? 10 tens are 100. There are 10 tens. Right children? 110 means 10 ones. 110 means 10 ones. 100 means 10 tens. So these 10 tens means 100. So this 100 is going to be added here. Right? And now how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 100. Total now we have 10 hundreds. Right children? We have 10 hundreds now. 10 hundreds means how much children? 1000. 10 hundreds means 1000. 10 hundreds means 1000. Understood children? In this way we will represent 1000 using blocks. Okay? Yes. Yeah, note down in your notebooks children. I will write here 110 is equal to how many ones children? 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. Right. Next 100 is equal to how many tens? Yes, 10 tens. 10 tens. 10 tens are 100. 100. Similarly, 1000 is equal to 1000 is equal to what is the answer children? How many hundreds? Yes, you are right. 10 hundreds. Right? 10 hundred is equal to 1000. Have you understood children? Please note it down. This is very important. Note down in your notebook. Yes. Now then give me a 4-digit number. 4328. It is a 4-digit number. First write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yeah. Read this number children. Everyone repeat after me. It is 4328. It is 4328. Now I am going to represent this number using blocks. Yeah. So in ones place, what is the number? 8 is there. So draw 8 single blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones are there? 8 ones. Plus tens place, what is the number? 2. So draw 2 tens blocks. 1, 2. How many tens are there? 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. So 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are there. Now come to the hundreds place. What is the number in hundreds place? Yes, 3. So draw 3 blocks of hundreds. Hundreds blocks means somewhat big in size, right? Yes. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. So these are 3 hundreds. Right. In thousands place, what is the number? 4. Means 4 thousands blocks we need to draw. 1000 means somewhat very big size of block. This is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. How many blocks are there here? Right. 4 thousands. It is 4328. Have you understood children? Yes. Quickly note it down in your books. In this way we will represent a number using blocks. Note down children please quickly. Yes. Now give me another 4-digit number children. Yes, take 9014 is a 4-digit number, right? What is this number? First write down the places. How to write places? Always we need to write from right to left. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yeah, what is this number children? Everyone repeat after me. It is 9014. 9014. Yeah, write down the number name. Along with me, write down the number name in your notebooks. Number name. Yes, 9,000. 9,014. Yes, children, what is the number name? 9,014. Now write down the place values. What are the place values of this number? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now start writing, everyone. 4 is in ones place. What is the place value of 4? 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. So 4 is the place value of 4. As 1 is in tens place. What is the place value of 1? 1 into 10. How much, children? Yes, you are right. 10. So 10 is the place value of 1. What is the place value of 0, children? What is the answer? Yes, I know that. You know the answer. The place value of 0 is always 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. If a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. So 0's place value is 0. Then what is the place value of 9? Yeah, 9 is in thousands place. So 9 into 1,000. Yeah, children, tell me what is the answer? Yes, you are right. It is 9,000. 9,000 is the place value of 9. Yes, children? Shall we write expanded form for this number? Yes, write down the expanded form. What is expanded form? What is an expanded form? What we have to do? We have to take sum of all place values of different digits, right? Now take the place values and add them. Yeah, 9 is in thousands place. What is the place value of 9? Yes, children, tell me. What is the place value of 9? Yes, 9,000. Plus, adding means, what is the symbol? Plus. 0's place value is 0. Yes, children? 0's place value is always 0. 0 into 100 because 0 is in hundreds place. 0 into 100. 0 is the place value of 0. Next, what is the place value of 1? 1 is in tens place. 1 into 10. 10 is the place value of 1. Got it, children? Yes. Next, what is the place value of 4? 4 is in ones place. 4's place value is 4 ones are. What is the answer, children? Yes, you are right, 4. So this is an expanded form of this number. What I did here, I just added the place values. Yes, while writing addition means plus symbol. From down to up we need to take while writing expanded form. Understood, children? Yeah, this is an expanded form. Right? Now quickly note it down, children, in your books. Next, children, I am going to take our textbook problems, children. Here from exercise number 1.1, from problem number 1, A bit I am going to do now. See, children, I will show you. Exercise number 1.1. First problem, A bit I am doing now. Means representation of a number on abacus tool. How to represent a number on abacus tool. Yeah, exercise number 1.1, first bit, A. So here, what is an abacus tool? Abacus tool. It is an abacus tool. These are the rods, since it is a 4-digit number. So here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. how to represent a number using abacus tool. Using abacus tool, how to write a number we are going to learn now. Yes, these are the 4 rods. So here in ones place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. So draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in tens place we have 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So draw 3 beads only. In hundreds place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. So in hundreds place we have 6 beads. So draw 6 beads again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now in thousands place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads. Yeah, now using this abacus tool, how to write a number I will tell. Yeah, number. What is the number? Yeah, children, write down. In ones place, how many beads are there? Count, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, write down the 6. In tens place, how many beads are there? Count, everyone. 1, 2, 3. So, write down the 3. In hundreds place, how many beads are there? Yeah, count, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what is that number? 6. Next, come to the thousands place. How many beads are there? Count, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, the number is 9. Yeah, children, read this number. What is this number? Everyone, repeat after me. It is 9636. Right, children? It is 9636. Now, write down the number name. Along with me, write in your notebooks, children, number name. 9636. 9636. Understood, children? Yes. 9636. Shall we write the expanded form? Yeah, write down the expanded form. Expanded form of 9636. Write down all of you. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is the place value of 9? As 9 is in thousands place, 9's place value is 9000. Right, 9000 plus 6 is in hundreds place. 6 place value is 16,200. 600 plus 3 is in tens place. 3's place value is 3 tens are 30 plus 6 is in ones place. 6 place value is 6 ones are 6. So this is expanded form of this number. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now I am going to take another example, children. Please note it down, children, everyone. In this way you need to practice in your notebooks. Okay, children, will you practice? Yeah, yes. So the second problem I am going to take now. Exercise number 1.1. Page number is 79. Yeah, the second problem, A, C bit I am going to do now. Second problem, C bit I am going to do now. They gave the number here. They gave the number. This number we are going to represent on abacus tool. Right? What is this number? It is 1008. First write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. How to represent this number on abacus? Now draw. This is an abacus tool. These are the rods. Right, children? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is that number? It is 1008. Read this number. It is 1008. Now, draw the beads. In ones place, what is the number? 8. So, draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In tens place, 0 is there. No need to draw anything. You should not draw. Come to the hundreds place. What is the number? 0. No need to draw. Next, come to the thousands place. What is the number? 1. So draw only one bead. So this is the representation of this number on abacus tool. It is 1008. What is the expanded form? Write down the number name. 1008. It is 1008. Yes, children? Then what is expanded form? What is expanded form of this number? As 1 is in thousands place. What is the place value of 1? 1 into 1000? 1000. Plus 0 is in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1 is in thousands place. 1's place value is 1000 plus 0 is in hundreds place. What is the place value of 0? 0 only. Yes. 0 is in tens place. What is the place value of 0? 0 into 10? 0. Plus 8 is in 1's place. What is the place value of 8? 8 ones are 8. So this is an expanded form of this number. Yes, children, or you can skip these zeros also. You can write like this. 1000 plus 8. It is also correct. In this way we will write expanded forms. And we will represent a number using an abacus tool. Have you understood, children? Yes, very good. Note it down, children, quickly. Now we are going to do a worksheet here, children. Worksheet we are going to do now. Write the place values of the underlined digits. Okay, children? So what is this number, children? Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yes, children? It is a 4-digit number. Read this number, children. What is this number? It is 5469. Value of 6. 6 is in which place, children? 6 is in tens place. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 10. What is the answer, children? 6 into 10. What is the answer? 6 tens are 60. So 60 is the place value. 60 is the place value of 6. Right, children? Six is in tens place. So 6th place value is 6 into 10. 60 is the place value of 6. Now come to the second example. Write down the places first. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is this number, children? It is a 2001. Yeah, everyone repeat after me. 2001. Read this number, children. 2001. So here 0 is underlined. Yes. Then 0 is in which place, children? It is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 0? What we have to do? 0 into 100. Zero into 100. As 0 is in hundreds place. 0 into 100. What is the answer, children? Already we discussed. What is the place value of 0? Always 0 only. So the place value of 0 is 0. Have you understood, children? Next, come to the next example. Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yeah, now, yeah children, what is this number? Everyone repeat after me. It is 9,215. Yes, it is 9,215. So here 9 is underlined, right? 9 is underlined. Then what is the place value of 9? Yes, as 9 is in thousands place, the place value of 9 is 9 into 1000. 9 into 1000. What is the answer, children? Yes, you are right. You know the answer very well. That is 9,000. 9 into 1000. 9,000 is the answer. So 9's place value is 9,000. Right, children? Shall we go to the second heading? Yes. What is second heading? Write the numbers corresponding to the expanded form given. Yes. What is that heading? Write the numbers corresponding to the expanded form given. So here expanded form is given. We need to write the number. Yes. So this is an expanded form. We need to write down its short form. Yes. Yeah. First write down the places. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now write down the number. What is the number in thousands place? What is there? 1 is there. So write down the 1. Yes. Next, in hundreds place, what is the number? What is the number? 8 is there. So write down 8. How many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. So write down the 8. In tens place, what is the number? What is that number? 2. So write down the 2. How many tens are there? 2 tens are 20, right? Next, in ones place, what is the number? What is that number? 1. Yeah, 1 is. So, what is this number? It is. What is the number? Repeat after me. 1,821. It is 1,821. Right, children? Next, come to the second example, children. First, write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, right? Now write down the short form for this expanded form. So here, how many thousands are there? What is the number in thousands place? 5. Yes, 5 is there. So in thousands place, write down 5. Yes, come to the hundreds place. What is the number in hundreds place? 4. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds, right? So for hundreds place, write down 4. Next, in tens place, what is that number? What is the number? 8 is there. So write down 8. 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are there. In ones place, how many ones are there? 6 ones. So write down the 6. So what is this number? It is 5,486. Yeah, everyone repeat after me. 5,486. Next come to the last example, children. Again write down the places first. So easily you can write the number. Ones place, tens place, thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number means thousands place. Here hundreds place is missed. Okay, children? Ones place, tens place, thousands place. Hundreds place is missed here. So for hundreds place we need to write 0. Yeah. Write down the number in thousands place. What is the number? 3 is there. Right? 3. Yeah. In thousands place write 3. In hundreds place, Not mentioned. So what we have to write? Put 0. Next, in tens place, what is the number? What is there? In tens place, what is the number? 7 is there. How many tens are there? 7 tens. 7 tens are 70. So for tens place, write down 7. Right, children? In ones place, what is the number? 5. How many ones are there? 5 ones. So in ones place, write down 5. What is this number, children? Yeah, read everyone, read louder. It is 3075. 3075. Have you understood, children? Yes, quickly note it down, children. Please, we will go for the next heading. Yeah, next come to the next heading, number names. We have to write the number name. So here they gave a question. Distance between Bangalore and Delhi is 2130 kilometers. What is the statement given by them? The distance between Bangalore and Delhi is 2130 kilometers. What is the number here? Underline it first. What is the number? It is 2130. So for this number we are going to write name, number name. We are going to write number name. So yeah, write down. Number name means nothing but spellings. It is, what is this number? Repeat after me, everyone. It is 2130. Right, children? Yeah, write down 2000. 2000. THOUSAND. 2000. 100. 2130. 2000. 100. 30. Yes, children? Have you understood, children? Yeah. So practice all these problems at your home, children. Now I am going to give you assignment. Note it down, children. Homework. Do page number 79, exercise number 1.1. First problem, B, C. Do page number 79, exercise number 1.1. First problem, B, C. And second problem, A, B. In a notebook. Please maintain a notebook for homework, children. After that I will post you the worksheet also. Please answer it and send back to us. Okay, children? What is homework? Do page number 79, exercise number 1.1. First bit B, C and second bit A, B in your notebook. Okay, children, I will show you once. So this is the page. These are the bits. Anyhow, we are going to send you the textbook pictures also, children. Okay, no problem, children. You can open that one and do the work given by us. Okay, children, have you understood? Yes. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class.